Students, till yesterday, we have learned about keyboard and monitor. Today, we are going to learn about CPU and mouse. Students, take out your computer book, go to page number 19. Let's start. CPU. CPU is known as Central Processing Unit. Is the most important part of a computer. It is the brain of the computer. It controls all of the parts, of a computer like monitor, keyboard, and mouse. These parts have to be connected to CPU to work. So what is CPU? CPU तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? CPU को हम Central Processing Unit बोलते हैं. And this is a very important part of computer. Why it is important? Because it control all the other parts of computer. ये important क्यों है? ये important इसलिए है क्योंकि CPU बाकी अदर पार्ट्स को जैसे मॉनिटर, कीबोर्ड और माउस को कंट्रोल करते हैं. मॉनिटर, कीबोर्ड और माउस it should be connected to CPU to make it work. तीनों को हमें CPU से कनेक्ट करना पड़ता है ताकि ये ठीक से काम कर सके. ओके और हम CPU को क्या बोलते हैं? What do we say CPU? CPU is a brain of the computer. Okay. Now comes mouse. Do you know why we say this as a mouse? Because it looks like a mouse and it has tail like a mouse. That is why this device is known as mouse. So, a mouse is used to point at items shown on the monitor. The mouse usually has 2 or 3 buttons and a small wheel between the buttons. So what is the work of the mouse? The work of the mouse is to point the things or the items which we see in the monitor, in the screen. And how many buttons do a mouse have? It has either 2 or 3. One is left, right, and we have a small center button. In many mouse it is not there. In some mouse it is there. And we have a wheel, small wheel between these 2 buttons, and this wheel helps us to see. I'm moving the wheel so I can zoom out. That is scrolling. Wheel help us to scroll. Now, the monitor, keyboard, and mouse are attached to the CPU by electric wires. Remember, we have done wireless keyboard and wire keyboard. Same, we have wired mouse and wireless mouse. So these wires which you are seeing here, these wires are attached to CPU and then it works. Okay. Now, so what do we learn from this chapter? We learn that a keyboard has 4 types of keys. कितनी keys होती है keyboard में? There are 4 types of keys. What are they? They are alphabetic key, they are numeric key, they are special keys and function keys. Then a monitor looks like a TV screen. CPU is the brain of a computer. The mouse usually has 2 or 3 buttons and a small wheel between the buttons. Okay, so here we complete the chapter. Now students, take out your pencil. We will mark true and false and fill in the blanks in the book. And those who have already done it, they will just tally the answers. जिन लोगों ने A और B कर लिया है, आप answers match करेंगे. Okay, we will write the answers in the book. Let's start. First question. Everybody should take out their pencil and they should write the answers in the book. सभी अपने पेंसिल्स निकालो और जो मैं आंसर आपको लिखा रही हूँ उसे आप बुक में लिखो. नंबर ए एंड नंबर बी, और जिन्होंने लिख लिया है वो बैठ के अपना आंसर्स मैच करेंगे. ठीक है. नंबर 1. A computer has 5 main parts. It is false. How many parts? Main parts computer have? Computer have 4 main parts. Here it is written 5 main parts. So it is false. Okay. Next, the keyboard is made of several small buttons. This is true. There are many buttons in the keyboard. And it is made up of small, different type of small buttons. Third, a CPU looks like a TV screen. This is false. What looks like a TV screen? Monitor looks like a TV screen. So this is false. CPU controls all the parts of computer. Yes, true. CPU control all the parts of computer. Fifth, the monitor, mouse, and keyboard are attached to the CPU by electric wire. Yes, it is true. Okay, students, quickly complete this, and I'll go to the next, that is fill in the blank. Okay, now let's go to the fill in the blanks. Now, each part of the computer does dash work, does different work. See the last option from the box given, the help box, different. You will write here different. Write the answer different. Okay, each part of computer does different work. The spelling is given here at the up, that is DIFFERENT, different. Now, next question. A dash has 4 types of keys. What have 4 types of keys? Keyboard. A keyboard has different type of keys. Third, a keyboard has dash keys. A keyboard has special keys. A keyboard has special keys. Keyboard has special keys. The CPU uses the monitor to show us photos, dash, and games. Shows us movies, photos, movies, and games. The spelling of movies is Movies, movies. The last one is the dash is the most important part of a computer. CPU. Okay, students write the answers. Those who are writing, please complete. Those who have completed, very good. Simple.